Hello, this screencast is going to teach you what a makerspace is and how we can incorporate a makerspace into our own library here at school. First and foremost, what is a makerspace? Well, a makerspace is exactly what it sounds, a place for students to come and create their own projects and products using materials provided by the library. Makerspaces usually have themes centered around specific topics and products. For example, a lot of makerspaces have 3D printers, which allow students to design and print out three-dimensional figures to be used in various products. Another themed makerspace could include sewing, where students learn how to make clothing and other textile products. Robotics and coding makerspaces are also very popular with public and school libraries across the country. Students learn how to code and then embed that code into a robot that they created. Coding makerspaces can also include computer programming and students making computer-based games for entertainment and education. Remember Legos? Legos are a great way for students to be creative and start dabbling in architecture. In a Lego makerspace, students can work independently or collaboratively to build houses, buildings, and even cities. So, how can we bring a makerspace into this library for our students? Well, there are several questions which must be addressed in order for a makerspace to become a reality. The first question is, what type of makerspace do we want to have? We must take a look at our student population as a whole and think about different extracurricular things we want our students to learn about in our makerspace. Once we have an idea for what we want our students to learn in the makerspace, we then have to start brainstorming ways we are going to make it happen. For example, how are we going to get the materials? Are there companies that can donate materials for our makerspaces? What if our makerspace is one that is a technical one, like a coding and robotics lab? Are there community members that we know who are willing to volunteer their time to maybe teach kids how to code and how to create robots? These questions and many more need to be addressed in order for the makerspace to be a vibrant and frequently used space in the library. One important thing to remember about creating a makerspace is that it is a community effort. The library media specialist is just one of many that is needed in order for something amazing like this to be present in our school. It's going to take teachers, administrators, parents, and others in the community to make our makerspace a reality. So let's do this. Let's make a place where students can not only learn, but also be creative.